Hi, what's your name? Good.
Crystal. What's your name?
I'm Chris. So, since I'm here new at Verizon, what kind of services do you have to offer for contracts?
For contracts, new phones, we have smartphones, iPhones. We actually have one of the newest iPhones out, the iPhone 5 is a 4G LTE long-term product that a service that we offer as well as the internet. Verizon also has partnership with Comcast as well, so if you're a Comcast customer, you'll get to look up your Comcast account and see if you are a home service provider. Get a discount for your as well.
Okay. Alright. What's the most popular phone besides the iPhone? Like something like a Droid, if somebody wanted to get a Droid.
The Droid S4 is coming out. It's only order right now, but that's one of the more popular phones. The S3 also has already been out for a while, so it's probably one of the more popular phones as well as the iPhone. Does sell a lot of services, and we also have the Droid HD and Razor Max HD.
Alright. So, besides phones, like if somebody wanted to get like a phone cover, headsets, what would be popular for them to get as well?
Right now we have a lot of wireless options, especially with Bluetooth speaker units. We also have headphones, wireless headphones for working out, things like that, or moisture water resistant, as well as for music and media. We have a lot of wireless Bluetooth options for music and audio as well too. Cases, we also have waterproof to just a regular, colorful case to waterproof shock resistant.
Right, so like if I fell in the water, it would be great to have that.
Yeah, so if your water, if you do have the iPhone 5, we do have life-proof cases, so they're proof from water and dust and shock resistant, so if you fall in water, you can just pull it out.
Great, okay, alright. So, will you talk about your tablets in case I'm interested in getting a tablet?
Sure.
What are your plans and stuff?
Well, right now, you're going to be new to Verizon anyway, so if you do start a plan with us, with your data plan and unlimited talk and text, you can also add a tablet in for $10 a month, which share into your data plan. So if you have just a tablet separate and you want to do like so many gigabytes separately, you can do that as well on a separate plan. The tablets are just like if you go into like an Apple store or anything like that. They do work on Wi-Fi as well, and we do carry the Android devices. Right now, what kind of devices are you using? Are you an Apple customer? Or
I'm an Apple.
An Apple customer. So we have the new Retina display iPad and then the iPad mini as well. They both have the newer plugs, high definition Retina display and things like that. So any of the newer phones like the iPhone 5 will have the same plug. And display and things like that. So your data service will run through the network, but then when you're at home, you can also save those gigabytes and megabytes and use your wireless network when that way.
Okay, so versus the iPad versus the tablet, which one sells a lot more?
iPad versus Android, it's kind of 6 1, half dozen the other. One customer will come in and they really like Apple, but it is a little more, closed range, so you can't, you pay a little bit more for your apps and things like that, but then you've got the security side to it, so it really just depends, what the customer's already using, if they already know how to use Apple. So I think I sell just as many iPads as I do Droid tablets, but it's just based on each customer. So, if they're going to be doing more applications where they don't want to pay for them, or if they're doing business applications, you usually see them use an iPad just because of the security and the Apple platform is really close.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you have any other questions about the iPads or the Droid tablets?
No. How do you like working at Verizon Wireless?
I love it. It's a good place to work. It's friendly. I get to meet a lot of people, for sure. So it's a great place to work. As far as the wireless, service provider goes, it's one of the best providers out there. So it's nice to have good coverage.
Great. Okay.
Well, thanks for your time. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Good to see you, and let us know if you have any more questions about our products and services.